You have 79 units in stock but need to fulfill an order for 100 units. How do you manage the shortfall? Facing the complex back order management in Oracle EBS. What happens to the 21 units struggling with the partial shipment and delayed fulfillment? Master the steps for handling the back orders and partial shipment in Oracle EBS with practical demonstration. Learn how to check stock. Watch the step-by-step process. Subscribe for in-depth tutorial and expert guidance. Kindly watch till the end for more. Over to the session now. Kindly subscribe. So the entire process of back order, sales order. Now going to the order module, I will show the current stock of a one item. I picked up one item to show the entire process. I will using this item during my sessions. So before starting the process, I will show what is the current stock of this particular item. Then only you can make the difference what is going to happen. So selecting the inventory, Seattle in manufacturing, going to the skin and query the material item and see the stock. Right now, what is the stock? Ability stock. See the primary reserve and transact quantity for this item. Now we will go to sales order scheme and we will create one sales order. Try to enter 100 quantity and see the result. Since we had only 79 quantity on hand and now we are going to create a sales order of 100 quantity. You will see the result what will happen. Go to the line item, order item, put 100 quantity there, see the stock, see required quantity is 100, on hot quantity 79. As I showed you the 70 on hand. Now book the order. You see the quantity on hand fails to satisfy the reservation. Yes, because we have only 79 on hand. That's why this message is coming. Now we will go to the shipping area and do all the fulfillment activities. Now we will do the pick release activities through the sales order. Pick release activities. Release sales order for picking. So we are releasing the sales order for picking. Now pick release will be initiated after doing these activities. We have to initiate the pick release. For that we are doing these activities. Now put the stores. After executing now, the pick release will be initiated. Can be done. Next. Pick release. So we will see the sales order line level status. Querying the data, 7059 is our sales order number and see the status awaiting shipping. Now again we will go to the shipping area to do the peak release, launch the peak release activities. Our next step is the peak release, ready for release. That means what we did through the sales release sales order, that ready for release. That activities has been initiated from that screen. Release sales order, ready for release. That means it is ready for release. You say ready for ready to release. Next step is the peak release. So we will do the from action launch the peak release. Sorry, wrongly clicked on go. Launch peak release. Now it will initiated to the delivery window. Now next step will be ship confirm. After few steps, it will happen two steps. That is a staged, that is a transact move. That is stock is being transferred from main stock to the sub staging area, not sub-staging area. See, there are two record has been created, one for transact move and another record for back order. That is the important things. 21 items. Since we don't have that stock of 100, that's why system has created one row for 21 that will be later will be released or shipped when the stock will be updated. Right now, system is allowing only 79 quantity, so we have only 79 stock. So you are seeing the move order number has been created. And now it is the next step is the transact move. And it will be a process automatically since we have clubbed, staged and peak release, peak confirm together. The setup is like that only. That's why this part will be done automatically. So after few seconds, it will convert it to the peak stage and peak confirm and ready for the ship confirm. Next step will be ship confirm. So wait for few seconds. The process is being executed back on. Now you see the data will come to the delivery for ship confirm and stage to the staging area and the peak confirm completed. We will see the status in the line item and next step will be ship confirm. You will see stage and peak confirm. Ship confirm. Next step is ship confirm. Stage and peak confirm completed. Now we will do the ship confirm. Now after doing this activity, actually physically stock is getting my decrease from the main inventory. So stock will be a minus. Now it will be deducted from the stock of the main inventory and it is going for the going to the customer. You will see the status of the line item. It will be a shift. Two row has been created. One is 79, another is awaiting shipping 21 is there. Since we don't have the stock, that's the one row is waiting for awaiting shipping status. So it has been seen the shipped, already been shipped. Now we will do the fulfillment activities for the second row whose quantity is 21. Since we don't have the stock and nothing will happen until unless we will not update the stock from the backend or a miscellaneous transaction screen. We will show how the stock is being updated manually. You will see, I will show the couple of times here that after doing the launch pick release, nothing will happen. It will not move to the for the delivery or a ship confirm. It will remain the same since you don't have the stock on hand. That's why it will be remain the next step will be a ship pick release and current status is back ordered. Every time you will see same thing there. Pick release, line status back ordered. Several times I told you that it will be not done because we don't have the stock. That's why it is not moving further. Nothing is going to happen. You will see what type of a concurrent program are being executed. It will be executed, but there will be no effect in the system. Since we don't have the stock, we have to update the stock, then only it move to the next level. Just wait for a few seconds, it will complete it. You will see the result when we will update the stock. There is options in the applications how the manually stock is being updated. From there you can easily update the stock. Now what we are going to close the first line item. Right now the status is shipped, so we will run the background workflow background process. Then after it will be in a close status. You see, still it is in pick release and back order. Data has not come to this area, delivery section. We will run the workflow background process to complete the first row of line item whose quantity is 79. Now it will executed and invoice will be created. One concurrent program auto invoice import program will be executed for creating the invoice. The data will be posted to the AR module and you can see the invoice detailed data after completing this process. The purpose of this process to create the invoicing for making the payment or whatever it is. So it will move to the finance section of AR module where we can easily see the invoice detail of that particular line item whose stock is 79. We are doing the same activities. Now we will update the stock of that particular item. We are going to through the transaction, inventory transaction. There is a miscellaneous transaction facility is there where we will select the miscellaneous receipt and manually will update the stock. Then only we can complete the process of the second line level item whose stock quantity is 21. After updating this stock, we can complete the fulfillment activity of the second row item whose 21 quantity. Now we are updating the stock. You are see the on hand was a 0 and available is 0. Now it will be updated the stock. Now we will go to the, we will do the shipping transactions. Now the data will come to the delivery section. Some background process is going on. After few seconds, it will come to the delivery section. Still, you back ordered and pick release is there. We will launch the these activities. After few seconds, it will go to the delivery. Still, it has not come to this area, but 100% it will come since we have a stock. So the stock will the this delivery, the data will come in the delivery section. Just wait for few second. 100% it will come here. Now you see open status. Now it is ready for the ship confirm. Just click on the ship confirm to ship the material to the customer. Now final steps we are performing for the second row. It was status was back ordered. Now status is closed. Now we will see the status of the second row item. Earlier it was a one row and now it is two. If you remember that we have created sales order for one row, but later it has been created two row, depending on the our stock. One is 79, one is 29. That is the important things we need to observe. There are two row order, then one is shipped, one is closed. So for the closed item, you will see the invoice details since it has been closed. Right now it is not showing because cursor is on the second row. That's why it is not showing the invoice number. You will see our cursor is on second row. That is in shipped status. You see the cursor is in second row. Now we will see the invoice has been created. The invoice details. We will see the invoice details from here also. Click on the invoice details. We will see the entire data of the invoice created. Completely data has come to the this area. See the line item. $79. Now we will close this item. Second one. See, still invoice has been not created for the second row. Now we will run the same background process, workflow background process to create the invoice. Auto invoice program will be executed. auto invoice import program has been created. Now invoice will be created after completing this process. Now we are going to see the final status of the both rows. Definitely it will be closed. You can see the invoice details of the second row from here only. Go to the additional line information, click on the actions, go to invoice, see the invoice number has been created, see the invoice details. You will see the line items of 21 quantity. You see 21. Now our process has been complete process from starting to end, creating the sales order to invoice creation. Now we will go to the comparison of Oracle EBS R12 versus Oracle Cloud Fusion's sales order creation, Oracle Suite versus Oracle R12 versus Oracle Cloud. For this process, not entire, for this process I have created one PPT and I will show them what is happening. You will see the sales order created, no significant changes. Single sales order created a similar type of a, there is no any process has been changed in the Oracle Fusion. Stock ability check. Since the stock ability is checked automatically after the order is booked. If you haven't seen, after book the order only you can check the stocks. Right now it can be in Fusion real time you can change. Stock real time you can see. Automatic creates the back order line for the remaining quantity after shipping the available stock. Line splitting and stock updates are real time in the Fusion. It is real, but it is something manual in the yeah. Unlike in R12 where back orders are managed after shipping. Yes, automatically creates the back order but with a real time. Automatically generates the back order for the remaining quantity without manual intervention. Automatically manage the back order with the real time updates. No significant change. Back orders are automatically handled in the both system. So we have tried to give the what's the difference between both process. 80 to 90% remain same. Shipping for the partial. If the shipment is scheduled, the available stock 79 is shipped and the back order is created. No major changes. Both system require the scheduling for the shipment, but Fusion offers the better real-time visibility. Yes, flow and screen layout of the Fusion is really good. Shipping of the back order items. Once the remaining stock is available and the shipment is scheduled, the system allows to automatic shipment. Both systems rely on the shipment scheduling, but Fusions enhance the tracking and automation. Order completion. The order is completed for both shipment and both systems automated the order completion, but Fusion further reduce the manual effort to advance the process. Yes, notification in Fusion is really good. Improve the notification, reduce the manual intervention. Alert and notification are very good in Oracle Cloud Fusion. That is the minimal changes in Oracle Fusion. In next video, I will come up with the Fusion application, not as a PPT presentation. So please subscribe my channel to get the new video on this. Thank you for watching. We hope you find the demonstration on backorder and purchase software processing Oracle Fusion R12 is insightful. Stay tuned for the next video where we will dive into the Oracle Cloud Fusion, Oracle EBS R12 and explore more Oracle and other technical topics. So please, I'm very new on YouTube, so definitely there will be some mistake. Please forgive me. I will try to minimize the. Thank you.